Hey there, so if you're watching this video, there's probably about a 95% chance that you're looking for how to grow your YouTube channel and get more views. Now I've got a great tip for you. It's almost a hack that will help you grow your channel way faster. Now I know there are loads of YouTube videos out there on how to grow your channel, how to get more views, but I know some of them aren't even that informative. So in this one, I'm actually going to try and go through it with you so you understand what I'm saying and you can implement it onto your own channel after this video. My name is Aaron and I help people grow their businesses and find success online. Now if you'd be interested in this kind of thing, then please do consider subscribing to this channel, as that will really help me out. If you like and share this video, that means the video will be pushed to more people so more people can see it and hopefully it can help more people. Here we are on YouTube. Let me tell you a mind-blowing fact. YouTube users watch over 1 billion hours of content every single day on this platform. Insane, right? But with that much watch time, it also means that there has to be a huge amount of content uploaded. And there's about 500 hours of new video uploaded every single minute. That means we need a way to get our videos noticed amongst all of that competition. And in just a minute, I will show you a technique that will do exactly that. Now I'm not promising that this technique will get you life-changing amounts of views, but it will certainly increase your views noticeably. You only need about 0.001% or 10,000 views out of the daily 1 billion to be really successful. I'm going to show you something that not many other people show, so keep watching until the end of this video to find out the full technique. If you find I'm going too fast for you, then you can just slow me down in the YouTube settings. You can also speed me up if I'm going too slow for your liking. I'll put timestamps on this video so it will be easy to navigate through it. Now let me tell you about this technique that in my opinion is almost like a hack. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the analytics and keywords from your competitors. If you think about it, there are already lots of people doing similar videos to you, but they get more views. You could feel down about this and wonder why you're not getting as many views as them, or you could use it as an opportunity to drive more views to your own channel. This is almost like stealing their views, but there's nothing wrong about it. You'll just be taking the same viewers and saying, hey, look at my videos too. This is almost guaranteed to work because those same viewers will be interested in the topics that you're making videos on. That's because they've already been watching very similar content. Now you just need to show them yours. The tool I'll be using for this tutorial is called vidIQ. vidIQ is a Google Chrome extension which helps boost your subscribers and views on YouTube by giving you some really useful tools. There'll be a link to sign up to it in the description of this video. Now I've explained why you would want to use this technique, I'm going to show you how to actually do it. So once you're on YouTube, the first step is to find channels from the niche that you're in. I'll use the niche of gaming as an example. This is a pretty big niche on YouTube that gets a lot of views. For the purposes of demonstration, let's just say I'd made a video on Fortnite, for example. So I'm going to simply go and type in something like Fortnite gaming videos into the search bar and then press search. Now I want to filter it to videos that were uploaded within the last week, as these are the most active videos generally with the most daily viewers. Generally you won't want to look at the older videos because they're going to have less daily and less active viewers. You can do this with absolutely any niche, whether it be fashion, travel, sports or anything else. So depending on the size of your channel, find a video with a decent amount of views. If you have only about 100 subscribers on your channel, then you should look for videos with about 5,000 to 15,000 views. But if you have, let's say, 10,000 subscribers, then you might want to look for channels with 50,000 views plus per video, because these are your competitors. Once you've found a recently uploaded video with a good amount of views, then you can go ahead and click on it. So we're just going to click on this video as an example. So it was uploaded 21 hours ago and it's got 22,000 views. You can see the channel has 31,000 subscribers, so this would be a good one to target. Now all of this information that you see along the side here is only available with vidIQ. If you don't have vidIQ, then you'll just see YouTube as normal. You can see my vidIQ extension up in the top right hand corner of the screen here where it says IQ. Once you have it downloaded, you can just connect your channel and you should see all of the information like I have here. This data gives you an amazing insight into the channel that would otherwise be hidden to everyone apart from the channel creator themselves. So you can see that it says the title is too long, so when we upload our Fortnite video, we should make the title shorter, as this will help us get more clicks. But the area that we really want to be focusing on is the tags. So these tags are search terms that people type into YouTube when looking for videos in a certain niche, and they are very important in ranking your videos. We can see all of the tags that they have used here and where the video ranks on YouTube under that specific tag. We can also take some of these and apply them to our own video to get some of these viewers to also watch our video. And as a bonus tip, it would work even better if we made a video targeting a specific area in Fortnite, such as the solo arena as they've done here. We know this topic has been getting a lot of views in the last day, so the topic is successful and likely to get us views too. So vidIQ allows me to just click on any one of these tags in this video. So let's take the tag Fortnite Arena down here as an example. So I can just click on that and it shows me the tag at the top, the score out of 100, which shows me how likely I am to rank for this tag, and it also gives me other keywords and their analytics. So the search volume is how many people have searched for this in the last month. The competition is low, it can be medium or high, and that gives us the overall score. So for example, if the competition is low, but the search volume is high, then this overall score would be closer to 100, meaning that keyword would be a brilliant one to target. So as I scroll down this list, I just get more keyword suggestions that I could potentially add to my own video. So let's go down, and for example this one here, Fortnite Arena Live. Now that actually has a better score than Fortnite Arena. It's 70 out of 100, and the competition is actually very low, but there's still almost 41,000 searches for it per month. Now if we're interested in this tag, we can just go ahead and click on it and click search this term. And that will give us a new list of tags related to this, which will give us even more options of tags to add to our video. Now do you see how just from that one video we've got all these tag suggestions, and these give us almost endless ideas of new videos to create and new tags to add to them so we can rank higher. We can also see the top 10 trending videos under this particular search term. And these are the videos that we might want to look at too, because they've been doing really well in the last few days and the last few hours. Now if we wanted, we can find another video from this list and press Ctrl and click to bring it up in a new window, and then we could also look at their tags. So you see how it's almost like an endless circle, and you can just find new ideas and new tags that can rank your videos higher. One more thing you can do is just go to the YouTube search bar, type in the tags such as Fortnite gameplay, and then it comes up with all these suggestions that people are searching right now. So you can take these and then put them back into the vidIQ keyword inspector, and it will just give you even more ideas. So hopefully you can see how easy this actually is with all the tools that vidIQ gives you. Some people will tell you that getting views on YouTube is hard, but it's really not if you follow the things I show you and ensure your content gives people value or entertainment. I also recommend that you check out my other video on 5 top tips for YouTube growth. I'll probably make a playlist with all my YouTube tutorials, so you can just look in the playlist section of my channel and you should find it. If you go through all of those videos on the playlist, then you'll definitely find success on YouTube. So I hope that video was useful for you, and I hope that now you can take what you've learned here and apply it to your own channel and your own videos. Check the description and there'll be a link that I've left there where you can sign up straight to vidIQ. Now if you wish to start with the free plan, that's absolutely fine. There's plenty of great features on there that you can use to grow your channel instantly. But if you wish to upgrade to the paid plan, that's also an option. Just a quick disclaimer, if you go through my link in this video's description and go on to purchase a paid plan of vidIQ, then I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you. Now this just helps me continue to grow my channel and make this kind of content for you guys. So that's all I've got for now. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.